just to simply go into this present moment. And I invite you to close your eyes, to take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Let's do that one more time. Just take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. And now it's your turn. I want you to imagine yourself sitting at the edge of a calm lake. It's early. Sun's not quite up yet. And I just want you to imagine that the water is still. The air is gentle. The world is quiet. It's just you and the lake and the silence. And as you breathe in, I want you to feel the peace of the lake entering your body. And as you breathe out, I invite you to release any stress or tension or noise from your mind. And let yourself just continue to experience this and feel the presence of the lake. And with each breath, you're sinking deeper into stillness. Deeper and deeper. And you feel embraced. You feel held and supported by Spirit. Just as the water surrounds the earth, so does the love of Spirit surround you now. All you need to do is receive. Let it come in. Let it come in. Let it come in. Feel the presence of Spirit wrapping around you, just like the arms of the lake. And know that you are safe. Know that you are loved. Know that you are at peace. And know that in the silence, you remember that peace is not somewhere out there. That this peace that you seek is within you. And it's always been there, waiting for you to return. And while you're in the silence, just take a moment to affirm, peace is here. I am one with Spirit. I am filled with serenity. Peace is here. I am one with Spirit. I am filled with serenity. And let that peace wash through you, through every cell of your body. Feel it filling your mind, fill your heart, and fill your soul and everything around you. And if there's anything that you would like to share with Spirit, whether it's a thank you, whether it's a question, go ahead and share. Go ahead and ask. And then maybe as we slowly begin the process of coming back to the room, take a moment just to thank Spirit for joining you this morning, for being a part of your life, for the gifts that it gives you, the ones that you notice and even the ones that you don't. And maybe on a final note, ask it if it would teach you what it is that you need to do to truly receive it fully.